Let's go into Lambda functions. You already know regular functions, and if you don't know about functions, I suggest watching the default functions video on here. If you have a certain function, let's say f of x, this can return x plus 1, and you can call that function. So this is just a regular function. Now, the difference with a lambda function is that it's always a one-liner and it's an anonymous function. And so it's anonymous in the sense that it has no name at compile time, but you can pass it around and call it. So to turn this into a lambda function, this function, you would write f is lambda x, which is the input, and then what it should do. So this will do exactly the same, because it's the same function but on one line. Now this goes for many functions, so you could have some function of f of x, which is x squared, and you can turn that into a one-liner. So you could say f is lambda of x, x times x. So it would be exactly the same. Now this comes from lambda calculus. So it's a way of describing computation. And lambda functions work fine. So you sometimes you can go with a lambda function if you can fit it in one line. But more often you'll see regular functions.